guys, it's me, Isaiah the Gangsta FTW, and today I'm here with a keyboard review. It's the Ducky Mecha Mini Creator Edition. It's a limited time mechanicalkeyboards.com exclusive drop. It has a really cool spacebar creator theme and a white and purple theme with pudding keycaps included. They are double shot PBT keycaps. It is a $130 keyboard, up to $140 with certain switches. You can get it with a variety of Cherry MX switches. As you can see, it is a 60% layout, which are becoming increasingly popular as of late. It's a standard US keyboard layout, so the keycaps can be swapped amongst, basically any version. As you can see, I got silent red switches. Some people say that Ducky keyboards have firmware issues or with firmware updates. I've not experienced this, of course, as I just got the keyboard today, but definitely do your research. Some people say it's fixed, some people say it's not. Also, this is actually white. It looks pink. The camera makes it look pink, and it also makes it look like the RGB is flickering, but it's not. Don't worry, that is the camera. This keyboard has support with Ducky Macro 2.0 software. Right now, as you can see, I'm showing you all the RGB modes. It's Alt, Fn, and T to change the RGB mode. Also, the included keycap puller doesn't work very well in my opinion. I like to use it diagonally on keys for the best result, which is not, standard, but whatever. Additionally, this keyboard comes in a full aluminum casing. Full aluminum casing. Let me repeat that. That's very important. It's very durable. And let's get into a sound test of the silent red switches. Okay guys, I'm here. This is what comes in the box. This is the box for the Creator Mecha Mini. So Ducky was one of the first companies, if not the first, to get a new version of Cherry MX switches with some of their keyboards that have 100 million actuations instead of 50. That's the lifespan of the switches. It's not super new anymore. It was more new with the Frozen Llama, which, by the way, some context for this video, I had to cancel my order of the Frozen Llama because it got delayed till February, and I'm building my PC before that, so I needed a functioning keyboard, so I got a different version of the Mecha Mini. I'm very happy with it, so that is fine. It is a mechanicalkeyboards.com exclusive, from what I can tell. So this is what comes in the box. So you open it up, it says Creator Mecha here, okay? Creator Mecha on the bottom. Now, normally there'll be the keyboard in there, covered in a plastic bag, but I already unboxed that. So other things, is there anything else back here? No. Okay, so what it comes with is a Ducky keycap puller, the manual. This is the manual, correct? Windows, blah, blah, blah. Yes, user manual guide, it says. So this is the manual, has a few different languages. You can get like a sticker or like a pin. There's like a few things you can get as free extras on mechanical keyboards. I chose a mechanical keyboards, I believe it's a Frozen Llama sticker, but it also works with the color scheme of the creator. Maybe it's a creator sticker, I don't know, but it's a little sticker. And it comes with a non-creator spacebar. So as you can see here, the spacebar has the whole creator design. I'm going to leave that, but if you just want it normal pudding keycap spacebar, you can go that route as well with this right here. So that's what comes in the box, as well as, of course, the keyboard and a detachable white USB-C cable. USB Type A, of course, to USB-C. And also, it's a full aluminum casing that will not break on you. Okay guys, so here is an input lag test. It's not gonna lag at all. This is on Mac, by the way. Look. As you can see, there's no delay. It's a very responsive keyboard. This is on Mac, of course. It's compatible on Windows as well, but yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the review of my keyboard. In an effort to keep my reviews short, I'm gonna end it here. I'm trying to put more effort into my tech reviews nowadays. I really hope you guys appreciate that, and I hope this review could help you guys. Do I recommend this keyboard? Yes, wholeheartedly. I think it's a good value because the build quality is extraordinary. Aluminum casing, double shot PVT keycaps, all that. You know, the standard layout's great. It's really a great keyboard. Like I said, I haven't experienced any firmware issues because I just got the keyboard, but obviously take that with a grain of salt. It's really a good keyboard. I think you guys should get it. Of course, you can get it in a variety of switches. So whether you like tactile, linear, clicky, it's the keyboard for you. It's a 60% layout, so it will not take up a lot of desk space. As I said, it's a mechanicalkeyboards.com exclusive, so I'm going to link it below. Make sure you get it before it sells out if you really want to get it. But that was Isaiah the Gangsta FTW. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Two more quick things before I end the review, guys. I just want to say, first of all, I got the keyboard just 4 days after I ordered it, so very quick delivery. And second of all, it's not a hot swappable keyboard, the switches, so, you know, you can't just take out the switches like you can with the glorious GMMK. If that's important to you, as I said, get the glorious GMMK, or you can, of course, build your own keyboard. But yeah, so, you know, you'd have to work with solder, like desoldering and all that to really switch out switches and then solder again. So, you know, it's a lot. So if you want to switch out switches, which most people don't, but I'm just saying if you do, steer clear of this keyboard as it's hard to do. But that's not a big deal for most people. It's a phenomenal keyboard. But yeah, see you guys.
Okay.